How to use pipe tobacco with long shell. The ideal humidity for pipe tobacco is around 65%, which means it's slightly dry. Ribbon-cut tobacco is relatively dry but not crumbly when squeezed. Flake tobacco crumbles easily when rubbed. This is the perfect state. Pipe tobacco must never be wet. It has a high sugar content, so wet tobacco tends to clump together and cause blockages. Use a 7mm rolling tool. Refer to tutorial 41 for how to use the 7mm rolling tool. Use 1½ hollow paper filters. Follow tutorial 61 for the rolling process. Ensure the tobacco is packed evenly, especially the area next to the filter, which must be fully packed. After rolling, give it a gentle squeeze. Elasticity is a sign of perfect packing. If it's too hard, remove some tobacco to restore elasticity. Then insert the threaded tube. Since the hollow paper filter is slightly small, attach the white adapter. Align the flame point according to tutorial 61 and insert it into the long shell main unit. Using pipe tobacco with long shell differs from other tobacco types in one key aspect. After each smoking, you need to manually rotate the threaded tube by approximately 60 degrees. Unlike cigarettes and cigars, which are fully automatic. Only pipe tobacco requires this manual rotation. Manual rotation can significantly reduce combustion time. Long shell also won't overheat easily, and the flavor will be richer. Manual rotation is necessary because pipe tobacco uses long shell's high extraction smoking method. This method involves a longer heating duration, so keep long shell horizontal, not tilted, when using pipe tobacco. Tilting it will cause the flame to burn the metal plate at the top of the lighter. Prolonged burning of the metal plate can affect the metal plate and cause displacement. High extraction smoking method for pipe tobacco. Ignite. First, preheat for 6 seconds. Be patient, this is the preheating stage. Then smoking at a rhythm slightly faster than normal heartbeats. Repeated, gentle, and short suctions. Suction, stop. Suction, stop. The frequency should be around 90 suction per minute. Ensure the suction are extremely gentle and short. We need to awaken the pipe tobacco gently. Each gentle, short suction will make the flame jump slightly to the right. Maintain this frequency and intensity throughout. Don't rush. Never rush. Gradually, you'll feel the flavor becoming richer and richer. Stop when the flavor reaches your desired richness. The ideal flavor should be sweet and aromatic, with no bitterness, spiciness, or unpleasant odors.